I found a new side hustle making $100, of which I will tell you all about it. Watch this video till the end. Do you love trying out new apps? Do you enjoy sharing your feedback to improve app quality? If so, we have the perfect side hustle for you. Become an app reviewer. With the booming app market, there's never been a better time to start reviewing apps. Not only do you get to test out the latest and greatest apps, but you also get paid for it up to $35 an hour. That's right. You can earn cash simply by downloading and reviewing apps. Whether you're a student looking for some extra pocket money or someone who wants to supplement their income, this is a side hustle that's worth considering. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. No need to worry about commute or working a strict schedule. You get to decide when and where you work. But what about the actual reviewing process? It's simple. All you need to do is download the app, use it, and give your honest feedback. You don't need to be a tech expert or a wordsmith. Just give your opinion. Your opinion matters. And app developers value it too. By sharing your thoughts and insights, you can help them improve their apps, which ultimately benefits us all. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now using the link in the video description, https://bit.ly apptesting 2023, and start earning today. Happy app reviewing!